Do your processes involve PFAS? Have they contaminated your facilities, your effluents, and your soil? We have the solutions. PFAS-based firefighting foams will be progressively banned starting in 2025. Start taking action now. We empty and clean your facilities, then safely eliminate PFAS. Are you looking to decontaminate your water cycle and optimize the reuse of your process water? Our mobile unit is a plug-and-play solution. Combine and confirm the best technology available. Test before you invest. Our experts can also build and operate your wastewater treatment site. Is your soil polluted? We take your contaminated soil for sorting and physico-chemical washing, using our specialized treatment platforms. An efficient solution for reducing the volume of soil that must be destroyed and promoting recovery. As a hazardous waste specialist, we handle your PFAS with guaranteed effectiveness, traceability, safety, compliance for your operations. Regulations on PFAS are growing stronger. Don't wait. Choose a committed global partner to support your ecological transition. Séché Environnement.